As you can see here, this is the moss. The moss is a type of bryophyte. The moss is completely covered by the rock, and this is because the rock is placed near the water. Here's a creek which is full of water. The moss has to be near a wet environment because it doesn't have a vascular system, which means that it can't survive and it can't grow on its own, so it needs water. The mosses are very small in size because it can't support itself very easily.
It doesn't have
they
roots.
contain spores, which if you look at very closely, then you can see them come up from the top of the moss. The spores are their unit of dispersal. Also, the mosses have swimming sperm, but you do not need seeds or flowers, or they do not have seeds or flowers and fruit. So, as you can see, the mosses, they're also very soft. Two of the adaptations it has is that the cuticle protects the leaves and the stems from drying because it has a waxy coating. The second adaptation is that the stomata blocks the gas exchange.
This is a fern. It is a seedless vascular plant. It's large, and it does have a vascular system, which is something that the bryophytes didn't have. This makes it easier for it to transport water and food. Its unit of dispersal is a spore. It has swimming sperm. It does not have seeds, and it does not have roots and flowers.
That is very cool, Taylor.
Thanks, Ellie.
I'm just taking a look at your plant. What is this called again?
Check it out. This is a fern, and it's a seedless vascular plant.
Oh my gosh.
You can come over here, and you can check out these little spores in here.
I think we see it, Taylor.
In the vascular system, the xylem carries the water and the minerals up from the roots to the plant. Also, the phlegm distributes sugar, amino acids, and other nutrients down from the leaves.
This is a gymnosperm, and as you can see, it has no flowers or fruit, just seeds. It's pollinated through wind. This particular one, I think, has cones, although we can't find any cones at this exact moment. And it has a vascular system that starts down there and goes all the way up, so the tree can grow very tall. Gymnosperms have adapted seeds in order to better their overland dispersal. The seeds are carried by the wind over the land and then replant in the ground. The seed is like an embryo in a box with its lunch, and the seeds don't require water like swimming sperm do, and they are a much better unit of dispersal. This is an angiosperm. Whoa.
Checking out the lemon tree, eh? This guy right here is an angiosperm. Angiosperms are a lot like gymnosperms because they have vascular systems, which allow them to give nutrients across the entire tree and grow tall. The only thing that's different is angiosperms have flowers, and they produce fruit, like this young ripe lemon. Pollinator sighted. Boom.
Wait. Right there.
It won't focus.
He's right there. Wait, talk about the pollinator.
Oh, okay, so this is a pollinator who's pollinating an why are we talking silently?
Because Spencer.
It's pollinating this angiosperm right here. So it's what?
It was attracted by the flowers.
Oh, it was attracted by the flowers, which is why angiosperms have flowers, and now it's gonna take its pollen and hopefully spread it somewhere else, impregnating another plant. So as you can see on this lemon tree right here, we have a flower and then a fruit. And so this right here is still a flower because it hasn't been pollinated and become mature, like this fruit right here.